Welcome to Wellness by Mommy. I hope you are safe and sound. In today's video, let's talk about how to boost fertility. Watch till the end to understand better how to increase your odds of conception with these simple detailed strategies. While some causes of infertility can't be overcome without treatment, you can increase your odds of conception with these simple strategies. Avoid douching. Vaginal douching can wash away the valuable cervical mucus you need to get pregnant. Douching can also wash away good bacteria, leading to an increased risk of vaginal infection. Choose lubricants wisely. Personal lubricants, like Astroglide and KY jelly, are harmful to sperm. However, there are sperm-friendly options, including mineral oil, canola oil, or hydroxyethyl cellulose-based lubricants such as Pre-Seed and Conceive Ease. Optimize the time you have sex. You want to have sexual intercourse during your fertile window, which lasts between 5 and 8 days, and occurs just before ovulation. However, keep in mind that the day of ovulation varies. It could be as early as day 10 or as late as day 22. Your odds of conceiving the day before ovulation are between 21% and 34%, and between 8% and 17% 4 days before ovulation. Assuming you and your partner are fertile, there are many methods for detecting ovulation so you can determine your fertile window, including charting your body basal temperature, checking for cervical position changes, checking your cervical mucus, tuning into your body's sexual desire. Your libido is higher when you're most fertile. Using an ovulation chart, calendar, or calculator. Have sex more often. If you have sex every other day or every 2 days, you're likely to have sex at least once or twice during your most fertile time. Many people think having sex daily is helpful, but sperm takes 1 or 2 days to fully mature and regenerate. So if you have sex every day, sperm may be immature. Improve your overall health. Research has found that some healthy lifestyle habits may lead to improved fertility, or at least a reduced risk of infertility. Making lifestyle changes may or may not impact actual infertility, and it shouldn't be considered as equally effective as fertility treatments. For example, if your fallopian tubes are blocked, your diet isn't going to help you conceive naturally. Consider both making lifestyle changes and getting medical care. Some things you can do that may improve your fertility include eating a wholesome diet, with lots of antioxidant-rich vegetables and fruits, healthy fats like olive oil and nuts, and healthy protein, exercising, but not over-exercising, getting enough sleep at night, at the right hours. Night shift workers may be at a higher risk of miscarriage and infertility. Maintaining a healthy weight, not too heavy or too thin. Practicing mind-body and relaxation techniques. Taking a folic acid supplement. Watch my previous videos on how to know your fertile days and how to calculate your ovulation day. I hope you find this helpful. Please subscribe for more interesting, evidence-based, educative and informative videos. Like and share this video. Turn on your notification icon so you can be notified when next I drop a new video. I desire for you good health and long life. See you in my next video. Till then, stay safe and remain healthy. Peace.